Okay, we got them all hung up for painting. It's not disturbing at all, right, Liz? Kids think it's fun. Wow, she does have, they're just so glamorous. This one's like so glamorous. And then this one's gonna be the sun woman. She's got the stair. We're gonna paint over the eyes sideways. And she's gonna lay, and the flowers over here, the wild daisies will grow up over it. And then this lady's gonna be the tree lady, and she's the one with the gray hair, which we're gonna leave it there like that. I can still add a wig if I want. Right. Right, Ron? Cool. Whoa, it's so weird. I love it.
Anyway, that's the color. It's almost the same as their body.
Yeah, it is fleshy. That's fine. I mean, that's fine. Here's something everyone wants to see when they walk to their barbecue zone. I don't know how to explain how happy this makes me feel. Look! It's all nice. Look at little flowers in there. Aww. It's a beautiful day. The crows are crowing. The flowers are blooming. The mannequin parts are hung with care. This is so great. Look at that beautiful curve. I don't know, I just think of them as like, I mean, right now it looks like body part. This is an art project, all right? I will not be mocked. Oh wait, this one. Hello, foam hair. This is like the greatest hair, actually. Look at this. She had an open head, so we decided to close it up. And this is going to be the Earth Mother. She's a little cracked now, though. This foam kept foaming. It kept foaming. I like the witchy, like, eyelashes. I like that. I think that looks way better than, like, ugh. They had realistic eyes before. I think that was creepy. she's got one creepy arm right here. It's like her pose arm. It's really, it looks weird when she's wearing it too, but you know, it all makes sense once she, and so we're gonna paint her green, and she's gonna go right here in our sickly looking flower bed that I don't water enough.